I butchered it. It's fine. Shenanigans are done. Yes, that was basically it. That's what I was trying to say. That's what I absolutely butchered saying, but it's okay. Okay, yeah, no, that's what that one was. There we go. Okay, now we are ready. I hope. Let's see. We should be good now. Okay, let's go through. Oh, dag nab it. I put this up out of curiosity. I didn't take this trade. This was literally, there's something in my eye and it's gonna drive me crazy. Okay. I put this up out of curiosity because obviously this is still pre-market. First of all, what happened here? Was there news or what happened at 8:47 today? Well, New York time. Because what the heck, man? That was just huge. Then, hey, Lurk, what's up? Aw, Lurk, you're so sweet. I hope Christmas was amazing for you. That's okay. Did you just literally hop on to come say hi? I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. So I'm just going through Ichido's a potential pre-market trade. Like I said, this, yeah, low-key a little bit of a bummer. It would have been quite nice, but anyways, it's fine. You know, it is what it is. I don't really mess with pre-market that much, so me. We're just gonna no touchy, leave it alone. I have not been able to mark out anything because I need to sort out this. No, it's this. It's not my trend line. Which line is it? Horizontal ray. I need that. Yes, that's it. Okay, cool. You can stick with that. Okay, now where's all my chaos? There's my chaos. I found my chaos. Nobody panic. I found my chaos. I'm able to start doing this. Oh, no, I need that to not be that color. Yes, with text. Text can be white. Style, same seas, please. Can we make it white? That's better. That was a miss. Never mind. I was gonna say something. Shut up, Maya. Go have fun. What's up? How are you? How's it going? Christmas was great. Oh, go have fun. My Christmas was amazing. Hey, Brooke, what's up? How's it going? And Sam. Hello, Harry Potter. I prefer Hermione. Because let's just be real, Harry Potter didn't bring much to the table, if we're being quite honest. Out of curiosity, the one day, I literally, out of all the movies, I went through how many spells Harry actually did. I think there was like a grand total of 20, and Hermione did like 60 or something stupid. Anyways, sorry, that was my random nerdy bit coming out. Moving on. So what you asking right now? Anyways, do I trade gold? Qua, can I just call you Qua? Do I trade gold? I've looked at gold. Your name is Teddy. What's my name? My name's Maya. What's up? Hey, Sully. How's it going? And Thomas. Hi, guys. Sully, why are you still awake? And good morning, Thomas. How you doing? Billy. Hello. And Mac. Hey, Mac. How's it been going? Have you proceeded to trade during all of this? Or did you kind of decide, no, maybe not? I think the London Open was London High. Cool. So this would have been a loss. So that would have sucked, but it's fine. I did not take it. I was looking at this now. If this would have been a win, Again, this is pre-market. I don't really trade pre-market, so this is more out of curiosity. Okay, and let's say that I took it and I wanted to maybe take this. Why does this look so good? I know pre-market was treating only True Trader real nice the other day. Again, I'm not going to take it because it is pre-market. It's not always the best. But still. Only True Trader lit up. I got for Christmas Stranger Things. Tell you. What's Stranger Things? Well, I trade the Nasdaq futures, specifically the micros, because I can still call myself new. I'm still pretty new at trading, and to not blow through capital, I stick to the micros. I'm great, ready for the New York Open. Amazing. Go have fun. Have you been trading this full time? Still waiting for you to come back from London session. Oh damn, Solly, I'm so sorry. Well, I'm back. At least things were sorted. Like I said, they stole a cable. It was very frustrating, but at least everything is now done. It's sorted. Clearly, I'm gonna owe you guys like a longer stream today or tomorrow, right? Who will win, Godzilla or King Kong? Well, that's a very interesting question. I do not know. I want to say Godzilla, I don't know why, but anyways. Rip, you left in London without even saying. I didn't mean to rip everything just went. There was I'm so sorry, I apologize. I was not, you guys are so mean. It's the person, yeah, exactly. I kind of did no losses since last trade, only break evens. I haven't gotten the clean follow throughs I used to get on. But yeah, but Mac, I guess rather break evens than losses, right? Hey Steve, what? A platinum player, how's it going? You waiting for the New York opener? Yeah, don't stress. Coming from 10% profit on November, I mean, what should I expect? I guess that's valid, right? We can't expect crazy good things for December. Sorry, I lost my brain cells right there. Did you see? I was in the middle of a sentence and they just went poof. I don't stream for like 3 days and my brain's just like, nope, we go into holiday mode. Nothing's functioning anymore. We're here. We are here. But it's okay. It's okay. We are here and I love it. And we're going to have an amazing session today. Even if we don't get any trades, even if we forward test something, because I've been doing some research on some things. So let's see, right? Maybe I'll be, I don't know if bold is the correct word. Maybe I'll be dumb and try to take a trade. Like I said, let's see. But I don't hate the setup. Rip, you said you don't quite like the relative equal highs, right? Go have fun. Yeah, we're just chilling, but that's okay. We're just chilling together. We got 6 minutes to go. I know a lot of you aren't actually trading today, right? Some are, but not a lot, because this price action is weird. Does anyone know what happened here? Why was there just this? What happened? Does anyone know? Was there... I want to say maybe there was news or something, but that's not normally when there's news. Hey, some guy, what's up? And Lazy Wizard, how goes it? How you doing? Are we all ready to rock and roll? Oh, thank you, Lazy Wizard. I appreciate it, because I was super confused. Because that was super random. I'll try. No, Rip, you're my teacher. You can't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You stay. Rip, you can't leave me alone. I'm still... You have to help me. Don't leave me. Joy of travel. Hi. What's up? Welcome to the chaos, guys. Welcome to pure chaos. Oh, I will... Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. You blew your account today. What happened? I will happily cry with you. I'm so sorry. That really, really sucks. Seriously, what happened? Nah, today, nah. Wasn't that sell? Oh, was a main entry? I also don't know why it sold and came back up. Yep. Only true trader? Yep, 100%. Aw, cheers some guy. Where are you going? Don't leave me. Some guy, you were here for like 2 seconds. You know enough to know you need to wait. No, I know. I do know that. Wait for well, actually, probably just wait for Jan, in all honesty, right? So, like I said, forward testing isn't the worst thing. And this price action is... I'm gonna say something that's gonna make me sound super childish, but it's the PG version, I guess. I don't even want to say it anymore, actually. I was gonna say this price action is poo-poo caca, but that's... Anyways, moving on. How's the day going? The day's fine. I did hot to the sun for you, honestly. Yeah, Mac, 100%. Jan 5th is when things are actually going to start happening. Like I said, I'm live today and tomorrow. Just so that you guys don't miss me too much. No, I'm joking. So that clearly, can you see my brain already started to go to mush just from missing 3 days. So I needed to just get back on the charts, start... finding my brain cells again before going on a bit of a holiday again. I don't know if I should call it a holiday. It's not like I'm going anywhere. I can't afford to go anywhere, but just chilling. It's just because there's absolutely no points being in the markets right now, especially 31st, 1st, and 2nd. And then it's the weekend and they closed, and then I'm back full force on the 5th. You best watch out, world. Watch out. Maya's coming. I'm excited. Sorry, I just went through a lot of talking there, but it's okay. Maya went back to 6th grade. Thomas, 100%. Like I said, I actually didn't even want to say it, but I had to say it. So we went with it. According to my trades at the 2025 wrap, my back tested for 619 hours. Damn, Solly! That is ridiculous. Hey, Ryan, what's up? Still holding silver. Well done. That's awesome. Platinum player, hell yeah. Better watch. Better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you, Aya. The stock markets are coming for you. Oh, we should make a stock market song like that. That'll be hilarious. Anyways, sorry. Hey, Commander Luck, what's up? Are you a bajillionaire? Oh, Solly, facts. Right there. Relative equal highs delivered. You are correct. They really, really did. Like I said, it's hands off until market open. There we go. Nailed it. We have 1 minute to go until market open as well, so let's see what happens. This is starting terribly. The stream is starting with me being crazy. So this is only gonna get better from here. Oh damn. Oh damn. Okay, ES is already going crazy. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Here's the open. Okay, NQ is definitely stronger to the sell side right now. Didn't take out that liquidity on ES. Here we go. I'm gonna mark out the 930 range now. Rip, I'm on it. I'm watching to see what happens. Oh no. Sorry, is the Wi-Fi being funny again? Max only came up on my XP trying to find. Got lazy was it? Because normally it tells you if there's news or something, and obviously it didn't say anything? Oh no. Okay, well, ES and NQ have started real different, so that's not great. That's not a great start. Hopefully my signals can make me a millionaire soon. Only true trader? From your mouth. Right? We've got this. I wish. Like I said, maybe do the opposite of what I say, and then you're good to go. This is 9:30. Nope. Okay, there's the 9:30 range. Now I'm gonna watch for the next thing. Ooh, ES is climbing. Okay. Tap there. 1, 2, 3. 2 more to go. 2 more minutes to go. Then I'll draw out my second thing. Oh, wait. Do we have... Wait, not yet. I'm getting overly excited. I was about to say, do we have our first presented fair value gap? But not yet. Everyone calm down. Everyone calm down. Not yet. It did say something, but I didn't see what it was properly. Me and Sully just waiting on signals. Yeah, wow. Rip, are you just here to try and get a bunch of songs stuck in everyone's head? Is that your goal for the day? I mean, it's a really cool goal. It's just really frustrating, and I'm not gonna love you for it, but it's okay, I guess. You can try, get some really fun songs stuck in everyone's head. But yes, it would be nice if I was able to afford I don't know where I would go on holiday, to be fair. Well, apart from Japan, but Boom didn't take me with him, which I thought was really rude. If you guys could go anywhere on holiday over this festive season, where would you guys... No, actually, maybe not the festive season. Maybe that's... It's the best time, because obviously the price action sucks. So you want to stay away from the charts, so to go on a holiday would be best. But... obviously, to go away during the festive season, it's super busy everywhere else. Yeah. So, anyways, if you could go on holiday, regardless of the time... or when, or whatever, where would you guys go? Ooh, Dom, you'd visit me. Nice. That was smooth. I'd like to see how not open as what I would like to see. Well, ooh, we got our first presented. Okay. First presented. Sorry, it's New York Open is absolute freaking chaos. We nearly have a 5-minute candle as well, 5-minute range. You don't think this is want to go back? What? This is want to go back up? That's English. You don't think this is going to want to go? There we go. Nailed it. Back up, maybe to VWAP before continuing back down. Ew, no, I don't like where that is. Hey Shando, what's up? I know there's a DJ in here who traded during Christmas. Ooh. Who traded during Christmas? Was that you? Only true trade. Did you trade during Christmas? Ooh, Maldives, Lazy Wizard. That is nice. Maurice, welcome back. How's it going? How are you? Colombia without a second thought. Why Colombia, Mac? I'm new. Do I trade gold? Hey, Shando. Sorry, no. I trade the Nasdaq futures. I have had a look at gold once or twice, though. Not going to lie. Let's check out the 5 minute. Oh, no, there we go. Yep, here's the 5 minute. Yeah. Wow, okay then. Holy moly. If this comes to retest back down, this could be a really solid one for a long. If it comes to retest back down. If being the key word here. At least this time we had a proper breakout. No! Okay, it's just running away. Wow. What? What? What is happening? Here we are talking about December price action. Here it's spitting out a freaking 50-point candle. There's a 4-hour bearish and mitigated gap. But seriously, me and my wife are thinking of going to South Africa in July. Ooh! It's my birthday, but it's not fine yet. Can't decide between South Africa, Paraguay, and Thailand. Damn, Dom. That's like a real Sophie's choice right there. That's really hard. What a beauty this morning. I mean, I wasn't expecting this. Straight up to London high. Let's watch if it taps into the bob level. Aw, thanks, Shando. Appreciate it. Christmas special. I'm a DJ, but that's a whole different level. Today was mad easy. Thanks for the feedback. You gone. So sad I sold and lost. But hey, I bounced back up. But lost. Oh, but that's okay, Maurice. Things happen. Apart from Nasdaq, you trade anything like currency pairs? So no, Shanda, not yet. So I'm still quite a new trader. And I always said I need to at least get good at one asset before I start jumping around like a mad lad. Yep. Well, actually it's been taken, so I can just delete that. Seriously? There's the new weekly opening gap. Is it gonna go all the way up to the new weekly opening gap? No way. I mean, it could. No. The nature, the people, the culture, and the girls. I mean, that's a good reason, Mac, right? Rip, you were expecting it? Really? Why? But seriously, why? Why were you expecting it? Thanks, Dom. Hey, Carlo, what the? How goes it? Well, it's a good start. It seems you trade ICT concept with the strategy. It's good. Hey, Shanda. Well, I use ICT and SMC confluences. So I use a GAN box instead of a fib. Although I know Only True wants me to grow up. That sounds bad. But essentially, grow up and start using. This is now too big as well, isn't it? I can't take this trade. Yep, that's a tad bit too large for me to now go and take. Also, the entry's not in the right place. The entry should be at least higher up, or at least in the middle of this fair value gap. Go take out some highs. Hey David, what's up? Bought at the low? Wait. Rip, did you trade? Oh, just because lucky duck. What the heck, man? So was that your first trade? Oh, I nearly said this year. Yeah, guys, we're still in 2025. Everyone calm down. It's not 2026. solid bedtime. Drop some learning content for us. Strategy. Uday? Sure, I can. I can do a bit more of an in-depth one, I guess. I'll find a goodie. Only true trader. What's up? Funny story. You remember when GameStop stocks went nuts? Guess who opened a long at all-time high and lost 10? Oh, no ways, Dom. I'm so sorry. That sucks. Really got any difference? Not really, Shanda, but me. So, Shanda, I trade both the London and the New York session. I want to say every day, but I'm going to do it today and tomorrow, then take off the 31st, 1st, and 2nd, because I'm probably going to be super tempted to trade those days. As it is, these days are probably not the best to be trading. For those reasons right there. Even if I'm just forward testing, it's better than nothing. Don't risk your capital over silly things, right? Don't do it. It's not worth it. Damn, okay, ES is a lot stronger than NQ today, or right now. But back to your holidays, nice, Rip. You came out of hiding, no, not out of hiding. Came out for one trade and then you were like, okay, I'm back. So much for don't trade today, honestly. Moving on. No, I'm sorry, do what? Trading career. There's no difference. Yeah, only two trader. I've heard there's like no difference, but people just like to see the names and hear. I don't know. I don't think there's much of a difference. I made like half my losses back at the blackjack table. Though I can't play any of those things. I'm not really good at that. Okay, did anyone else get in on a trade? Asking for a friend. What a good flipping trade, Rip. What the heck, man? Oh, sad. That's okay. It is what it is. Hey Nation, in your opinion, what's the best round to start with to invest as someone who is starting? Wait, are you asking to invest or to day trade? Two very different things. Nice trade. That runner was a ripper. Nice, Solly. Wow, that was good. That was good. That was a real goodie. But anyways, no trade yet. Go have fun. Is the friend your subconscious? Maybe. Okay, you don't have to know. Maybe I have an imaginary friend. Only friends I got. Anyway, I'm joking. I'm joking. You guys are my friends, right? Crickets. Okay. Sure, guys, I don't know why I'm going extra crazy today, but it's okay. I'm sorry, you guys get to see the extra insanity version of little Mio Maya today. Hey, I have too much energy. But that's okay. This is what a well-rested Maya looks like. It's a bit weird, isn't it? It's okay though. We're all here to have fun. And that's nice. Back to thinking ES to know if it suits my strategy, though I'm good on gold and London session ain't really my thing, kinda. But good if it works for me. Oh, thanks, Shando. To be fair. Okay, no, it depends on the day, but some days I actually really prefer trading London over New York. Because some days New York just does this where it runs away from me and I essentially can't get in on a trade that I like. Oh, there we go. People believe it's always pay the duck no matter what. Always, Rip. That is the most important thing I learned from you. Always pay the duck. People believe it's different because most traders who use supply and demand are like indicators. SMC because they need on this, but the names are a bit different. Dom, that's probably the best advice. Nation, you must just start with anything you're comfortable losing. to try and stop your emotions getting involved in the trading process. Again, a whole lot easier said than done, but it must be an amount you are super comfortable with losing. If futures 2k, 3k for CFDs $100, but at that point just get a prop from. Well rested. What's in your coffee, Solly? Coffee. Literally just coffee. That was because I just had a good day at the horses today. Who knows? Okay. Oh. I would have liked to have set up this trade potentially. I don't like that it's going level to level like this. I would prefer it to come retest back. I think it's just run away now. And Lux for me. This would have mistagged me in by, I mean, okay, a few points, but still. Let's see if it would have worked out. Like I said, this I would have risked more than I'm willing to risk, especially during December. Maybe something pops up later. And again, to be fair, this wouldn't have even tagged me in yet. Yep. Nation is completely depends on you and your confidence in your trading. The less market experience you have, the more likely you are to blow through capital. Yep. By the way, a thing I don't see you using is the RTH gap. Next year you might want to play a bit with that. The probability of representing that gap is high in the first 15 minutes. Okay. Now you've got my brain going. Okay, the RTH gap. I'm gonna have to a look into that one. Have you mentioned? I'm pretty sure you've mentioned it to me before. I am 99% sure you've mentioned it to me before. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Nope. You copy paste. Done. Okay. It's full part 1k make a mill, then return. Only true trader, stop that. You're gonna make people start doing that. Anyways, depending what your earnings are back in the day, I started to say my monthly payments invested every month. What do you think? Very helpful. Yeah, of course, Nation. Like I said, this is the best community for learning and asking questions because we're all here learning together. Well, a lot of you guys know a lot, but you're all here to help us learn and figure things out, which is amazing. Mad love to all of you guys. Hey Bash, what's up? Is she on Twitch or what other platform? Hey Joe, I have two YouTube streams running at the same time, if that's what you're asking. I remember ICT teaching at RTH Gap in this 2024 mentorship. Hey Boom, what's up? Good morning. How goes it? Thank you. Thanks, Thomas. Spirit of David, she's on feet. Fine. Stop it. Honey, that is hilarious. I think I need to copy paste that. Yes, I talked about it a bunch. I'm pretty sure you have RTH. Okay, I'm gonna have a look. Thanks, Rip. Hey Martin, what's up? Here's a stock find for you, BTC USD. I'm sent here today or early tomorrow. 100%. Daddy stocks, when people say 100%, I get really cautious. Hey Martin, what's up? Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the chaos. Basically. Welcome to the chaos. How are you doing? What do you trade? Can I ask what's the channel about? Ah, well, Martin, it's about trading. Yeah. It's about trading. Sweet and simply. Sorry, there's probably a better way to say that, but yeah. Specifically, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. But there's a bunch of people here. Some trade Bitcoin, some trade gold, a lot are trading silver. Daddy stocks, what were you trading? Bitcoin USD. There we go. Itchy nose, sorry. So Okay. Now, I'm just kind of forward testing a few things. Like I said, this unfortunately was a little bit too large for me to take. I liked this trade. Did I? I did. Did I? I don't like that I went all the way up to a level and then turned around. And now it's slowly coming back down. But let's wait and see if this would have worked out. I'm curious to see if this would have worked out. I didn't take it purely for the fact that even one contract is more than I'm willing to risk, especially for today. That's valid reasoning. Yeah. Save your capital. Don't be dumb. If everyone trades the flow and don't have 100% strict rules, try this. When you see a trade, just place your entry at your original stop loss and watch your stats. Martin, of course. So, Martin, are you a trader? Hey, DJ. How you doing? Set up now. I'm unstoppable. DJ, I love that. Are you still just trading gold, or what's your plan? I talked about that. It's a great thing to have a look at if you want to build a system around that. Rip, I think it still baffles my brain that your whole chart is just empty. You only have one thing, like, set up, but you don't have any indicators, no nothing, and that's it. So my mentor told me I tried, and to be honest, this is insane. Interesting. It really is, especially if you want to do micro scalps and you take small trades and target 50% of it. It has that look like it's gonna drop apple butter, right? On any other day, if this was smaller, and if it probably hadn't taken out London high, I would have said, maybe we could step it in. It's fine. I had valid reasoning for not taking this. Maybe it was a good thing because it's very quickly headed towards stop loss. But I mean, there's two more things it has to kind of break through. Let's see what happens. Oh, Martin, oh, what, Martin? That is so cool. Do you want to do my tattoo? Do you want to design me? Do you want to design me a trading tattoo? Martin, I will get a trading tattoo. Please, I need to get a trading tattoo, number one. Finding tattoo artists down here is a freaking nightmare. Literally, guys. All the good tattoo artists are up and down. It sucks. Anyways. I said, PA, olive, it's just on up to par. Yeah, Mac, 100%. Hey! I feel like I'm gonna butcher this. I'm sorry. Is it Afalele? Lamini? Yeah, did I get it? What would have been your ideal entry zone and stop loss? So where this is set up, my entry would have been at 0.5 and stop loss at the 0.2. Is it ideal? Meh. But it would have been better. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Watch this work out now. So essentially this would have been my trade. Guys, let's see. Like I said, it was just a bit too large to take. Would have entered there. Let's see what it does. Maybe it would have hit stop loss. Maybe it would have been fine. I had a decent amount of confluences. However, it's kind of going against everything else right now. Okay. If this works out, I'm really gonna have to start trusting the system a heck of a lot more. It didn't work out the previous time because I didn't wait for a proper breakout out of one of my confluences. So that was on me. Yeah, that was on me, but it's fine. DJ, I'm so sorry guys, I'm so slow with reading things. It's because I'm talking a lot. The energy levels are up there. Moving on. Most been copper, upper copper, just copper, and it's going really well. Imagine. I need to slow down. My brain is going too quick, but anyways. DJ, that is awesome. That's what I was trying to say. I'm so sorry. That's how a chart should look. Empty. I mean, never mind. I was gonna say mine's pretty empty, but it's really not. It's all good. Oopsie, miss things. They can love empty charts simply and less overthinking. DJ, wow, I feel attacked right now. See, there's a long or short tool and where my entry was. Y'all are hating on me right now. Just saying. Hate. But it's okay. Save only session indicators as my drawings. Wow, okay. I do have things marked, but on my execution chart is nothing. I won't help me or anyone seeing what I marked out. They don't know the why. Ooh. So Rip does have things. He's just a sneaky. He's a sneaky duck. Moving on. Sorry, I have the best design. No, stop it. I know. Hey Michelle, what's up? Sorry, it's the boom banana. That's DJ, that's it. Did I check out Mac? I saw it on Netflix. I didn't watch it though, sorry. You know when you're not in the mood for drama, I've been kind of just watching animations. Well, anime, to be fair, but I was kind of just watching animations. Like, I watched The Grinch, the new anime. It's not as good as the original Grinch, but it was still good. But yeah, I don't know, my brain's just been going tune out from reality a little bit. Maybe that's a bad thing, maybe it's a good thing, but I'm going to check that out 100%. No, Mac, I added it to my list. I'm just saying, I did add it to my list. How did you automatically draw that green-red ratio? I want to do that with my take profit stop loss. Oh, DJ, it's a little setting on the side here. Can you see this? I'm not sure which one you're on. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna have to show. DJ, are you on the Discord? Just pop me a message and I can show you. I can show you screenshots. Oh, Martin, please, Martin, do you have Discord? Martin, is this a thing? Martin! Okay, I'm getting way too excited about this. I'm still watching. I would still be in this trade, just BT dubs. DJ projection tool on TradingView in this case, I think Project X. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change soon, Thomas, though, to TradingView. Michelle, of course I do. What's up, sneaky duck? What do you like more, dogs or cats? Ooh. Dom, that's a bit of a tricky question, because I love all animals. I would probably say dogs a little bit more, just because some dogs are just so happy. They're just always so happy. And don't get me wrong, there's some cats that are always just so happy, but there's some cats that just are completely uninterested in getting to know you at all, and I'm just like, okay, that's fair. I have to have a PC for that. DJ, I don't think so. No, just the software, either access on PC or mobile. These for me both taste great. Oh! Dumb! I feel like I need to put you in a timeout for that. That is bad. What the heck, man? Okay, anyways. Martin, what is that? What's what? Which pair am I trading? Can we copy trade Phoenix? No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Please don't copy trade me. Please don't. You might lose all your money. I'm just saying. Yeah, only true trader. Thank you. Thank you. I got it for Christmas. Gosh. Michael, do I know how to code? I don't. Sorry, I don't know how to code. Only True Trader is gonna have to teach me one day. Well, Only True Trader is gonna have to finish his game, and then I'm gonna have to play his game, and then we can all watch me play the game. And I think that'll be so much fun. Vishal, are you talking to me or Solly? Because I know I need a haircut. It's bad, guys. It's bad. But still. Haircuts are expensive. Just saying. Especially, no, just haircuts in general are expensive. I was going to say especially if you're a girl, but no, just haircuts in general. do be expensive. Was that the entire move? Is this like London again? There was one huge move and then it just chinchilled the rest of the time. Join my Fade Syndicate. We press buy when Maya presses sell. I would judge you, except that low-key sounds like a really good idea. Okay. So here, like where I would have taken a buy, most likely a sell would have been the correct way to go. Let's see though. I mean, it's struggling to break through. Doesn't mean it's not going to break through, but it is struggling. Okay, I'm gonna take comfort in the fact that it's struggling. Mally, show your feet? Absolutely not. Well, no. It's no. Wait, all these people wanting to ask for coding. Right? Is coding difficult? I've never really looked into it. I'm kind of curious now. Is coding hard? Super clean with my hand. Happy. What up? Oh, okay. Sorry, Michelle. My B. Hey, Diva. What's up? You probably have scissors at home. I do. I do. Rip, what do you think? I should give myself a haircut live? Because this is a problem. This is a lot. This is a lot of hair. Cost me 150 rand to do my hair and it grows back in 3 days. Only to trade it. That's not okay. To be fair, if you're a girl, it's like 100. No, I lie, 100. I wish. It's like 400 rand for a haircut. Especially if you have long hair. And then you don't even really notice that anything's changed. And then you just get sad. That's about it. Daddy's cut it with a knife. Thomas, yes and no. Yes and no what? Thomas? Yes and no what? Oh, the coding question. Sorry. Oh, that was weird. Martin, what was weird? There's a lot of weird things going on right now, so we're just going with it. Coding is harder than trading. Oh, damn. Okay. But yeah, thank you. Anyways. No, you don't need a haircut. I'm cool, guys. Look at that. I'm good. Interest is fine. Need that? Yes and no. Cost the time. Just remember the code. You'll be fine. It wasn't hard for me though, but that's just me. Huh. I guess it's like anything in life, right? Sometimes it just makes sense. Sometimes you're sitting there and you're like, I have absolutely no idea what's going on. Please tell me the funniest joke that comes right now to your mind. Nope, can't do that. That's dark humor. That won't be okay at all. Never mind. Where's Skeletor? We need Skeletor on here to come with the funny jokes. Because my jokes are nor funny. Well, neither funny nor appropriate, so I'm just gonna be quiet. Oh, what? Hey, David, what's up? Hey, British. Hi. I just need... Not an expert, but I think it would look great on you. A long bob or something. I've tried it. It actually does not suit me, believe it. Maybe it's just my personal opinion. I heard mixed feedback, basically. I heard some people say that it looks amazing, and some people were just like, absolutely not. It doesn't work for like your facial structure or whatever you want to. I don't know. I'm not enough of a girly girl to know nor care. Dom, you love talk. Can I tell some, or is it a no? Go for it, Dom. You can do it. You can go for it. No, trading is more difficult, but ooh, interesting, Funhouse. What? See, again, mixed reviews. Some are saying coding is actually easier than trading. Some are saying it's way more difficult than trading. See? I'm a bit of a scent perfume freak. Ooh, Mac, you must chat to Bob. Bob also loves his cologne. What sense do you like having at home? Like some sense in products do you use for that? Some fabric softener to candle to... Ooh, MAC. Well, you know the candles. What are those really nice candles? Oh my gosh, and they're so expensive. What are they called? Oh, I can't believe I've forgotten what candles they are. And they're so expensive down here in South Africa. Like for one candle, it's nearly 500 rand. Oh, this is gonna bug me. Thanks. This is now gonna bother me for the rest of the day. Oh, this is headed towards stop loss. Let's see what this does. That would have sucked. Yep, and boom. That would have been stop loss. Cool. Noted. Did not work. Every time I'm so confident in a trade, it just kind of gives me the middle finger. Okay. Good thing I didn't take it then. Can you imagine? There we go. But as for the other cents and things, I mean, there's a few different things. In all honesty, I think I just end up smelling like horse no matter what I do. So it is what it is. British, how's it going? How was Christmas? Oh, you know, well, right now, it's me. But I can't expect much from this price action. So we continue. But yeah, Christmas was good. You know, family time and all that whatnot. Krishna, what is that? I've decided to grow my hair anyways. I'll go through the ugly thing. Oh, how long are you gonna make it? Only True Trader? I'm kind of curious now. Whatever makes you feel good in your skin. Oh, thanks, Rip. Yeah. Probably I don't know. It's a bit of a mess. I need to actually go get it thinned up, but that's okay. Sorry. We're now talking about hair. I'm so sorry. Not talking about me there. That took me a minute. Rip. That was very impressive. That was quick. That was so quick. Okay, anyways. Not gonna lie, trading is hard if you're trying to learn something that doesn't suit your personality. Ooh, that's interesting. I'm always like, not my gatekeep. What am I gatekeeping? What did I do, Mac? This is gonna bug me. Oh, damn, Miller, damn. One candle, 500 and that candle. Grant my wishes. Only True Trader, you know what they're called. Gorgeous top. Oh, thank you. I'm innocent. I feel we should go higher. We have an NPOC above. Give 5 minutes and Michelle will say something dumb. It'll get him mad again. Okay, everyone is witness as long as I can get it. Yeah. Wedding ring from... Look good. Depends. What do you think would even be my style? Now you're being put on the spot because as you can see, I'm not really a jewelry person. I don't feel dependent, but I not the girl from Maya. Yep, okay, so Dom. Okay. Oh, you get a very big scary boy. Okay. Okay. Dom did get the go ahead for me to tell some dark jokes. Just keep them okay-ish. So don't ban Dom. Maybe delete them if they're like over the top, but that's okay. We're extended under Fib mid regime is still up. MPOC around Fib pivot mid. Strong upside bias. Michelle, do I read books? I read lots of books. I say lots. I do read books. I'm not gonna say lots of books because recently not so many, but I do read. Yep, nope, this is not going where I wanted to go at all. I took out that. Okay, I'm waiting to see what this does. Well, that idea did not work out at all. But I think it also went too high before it came back down, and it took out London high. You look like a rose gold. I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key impressed, David. Nice, nice. Anyways. Mexico doesn't have an Olympic team. Why, Dom? I'm scared. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Cast Out. Which type of books? Do I read self-help books? I actually don't. Maybe I need to. Are you trying to say something, Michelle? Are you trying to tell me something here? Be clear. Really? And the jokes I'll pass on this one. Well, Dom, you can send them to me on Discord, okay? How about that? Send them to me on Discord. Because I can do with a good giggle, so it's okay. Oh my gosh, are there two Doms? There are! What's up, Dom 2.0? What's happening? I really get it right. David, probably, and that's okay. Well, I mean, yeah, kind of. Would purple go with rose gold, though? I don't know. Believe it or not, I don't hate pink. But do you know what suits me that I never ever wear? Red suits me, and I never ever wear red. It makes no sense, but it's fine. Okay, so David had a free trade there. I mean, okay, rip. Look at you, you're so smart. Okay, you got that. You got that. Yeah. Rip. When you're right, you're right. I do jasmine incense for that. Sleep. I'm comfortable with jasmine scented. Ooh, jasmine's good. You know what I? No, it isn't. It's a jasmine flower. The jasmine flowers. I love the jasmine flowers. This is actually going to drive me. Yankee candles. There we go. Yankee candles. Oh, that was going to annoy the living daylights out of me. Yankee candles. Only true trader. Have you smelt the Yankee candles? They're amazing. That is awesome. There's two Doms here. That's so cool. Brain's beautiful and pink. Oh, thank you. Funny, depends on the day. I just have way too much energy. Okay, moving on. Attention in the zone, probably a pullback. You think so? Step in the dark. That jasmine combo is just a killer. Yeah. I build my own tools, regime an uptrend, downtrend, range detection. So I build volume profile, auto mapping to Admiral? That Admiral gamers, that sounds intense. Hey Iman, what's up? Yes, we have up there liquidity to tick. If it starts to come back up, I might be interested in taking a little long here, but let's see. Let's see. I mean, there's still liquidity down here. There's London low that I did not mark out correctly. This is London low. Okay. Sit on hands. This price action's not great. I would have had a loss. I would have had 2 losses today. Oh, today is not my day. If I'd taken that other trade, it would have been a loss from earlier today. Whoo, thank heavens. And I wouldn't have been able to do anything because obviously my power was out. Yankee candles down. Mac? They're awesome. And they smell so nice. Especially, which one is it? Oh, I like it's the something cherry. But again, they're just so expensive. Dom above VWAP. You're low-key becoming my favorite habit. That is such a cute compliment. Oh my goodness, that is so sweet. Thank you. I've never tried them. I don't know how expensive they are for you that side of the world. Can you even get them that side? No, I have not, Michelle. What's that? My other stream? It's the same one. Go have fun. Yeah, it's the same one. You want to see a really dumb? Just look at the new concept. The saddest. Oh, damn. Dumb. That was rough. Okay. Hey! Novelist. What's up? You never can beat the market. No, you are correct. You can never beat it. So trade with it, right? Never trade against the market. Trade with the market. That's how you do it. I think we clear. I think index will hit 660. 660? Wait. NDX. Okay. That's why I was like, what? I think people who use stop losses are inexperienced traders. What? Daddy stocks, that is a very... Yeah, that's a very... Those are fighting words to say right here. Those are fighting words, daddy stocks. Anyways. Low-key kinda right. Nice, David. Anyways. Martin, how often am I live? I'm gonna say every day, but not every day. I'm live today and tomorrow. And then not the 31st, 1st, or 2nd, but then I'm back from the 5th. Every day, both London and New York open. Yeah, every day. Not really, I can just make him disappear. David, that's like abuse of power. Can't do that. Oh, thanks, Dom. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. I know there's not like hectic stuff going on right now with regards to this. Sad. But we're still forward testing and we are always learning. Like that would have been a loss. Lesson learned. Don't get over enthusiastic. Now I want to see if it does start to push back up this side, if it continues really nicely to the buy side, because then that is a really good indication. But yeah, that first presented just completely disrespect. Completely. Oh well. We go directly to VWAP. Okay, you think directly to VWAP. I'm watching, Dom. I'm watching. Oh, I can't afford candles, so I just burn sugar in my kitchen and it smells sweet. I mean, Vishal, if that works, I don't judge you. Hey, Quarterly, what's up? BH, you wouldn't trade today? I'm not. Well, I'm on the charts, but I haven't placed a trade. Mac, they're hella expensive. I told you. How expensive are they for you? Maya trading, always live. Hey. Yeah, we're climbing again. Admiral Gamers, nice. Admiral Gamers, what do you play? Well, I mean, what games do you play? Sorry. What am I looking for? Well, Quarterly, now I'm just kind of hands off. It did the opposite of, not the opposite of what I wanted it to do, but I'm curious. I'm curious about something. I'm just gonna say that. I'm curious about something and I want to see how it plays out. I'm not gonna give away all the secret sauce just yet, but I just want to watch and see how it reacts where it is right now. I know, Dom, you said it's gonna go up. I'm waiting to see the broken pass there. This doesn't even have enough confluences for me, so I probably would not take this trade. But again, I'm sorry, excuse the hiccups. I'm low-key just forward tasting a little bit. I know obviously this is not great price action, so, but you can never stop learning. I think that's the one thing I love about trading. You can literally never stop learning, and I think that is amazing. Mine is live 4 hours a day, 2 streams, 2 hours each, 5 times a week. No weekend. Oh, thanks, David. There we go. Who else using the move now? I'm gonna try them though. They seem worth it. Ooh, Mac. Okay, which one are you gonna get though? Hey, Call of Funny. What's up? How's it going? Sorry, I don't know why I giggled at your name, but anyways, how are you? But holy damn, the only plus side, Mac, the only thing I can say is that they last a while. They do last a while, but $150 for a candle. What? Why is it even worse than what? Why are they so much more expensive your side of the world? No ways. Why is it $150? It's gonna be horrible. They're ranging 50. You trade options? I don't, sorry, Admiral Gamers. I just trade the Nasdaq futures for now, because I'm still a bit of a newer trader, and I always said I wanted to get good at one asset first before I started jumping around. I have dabbled in gold, if you will. I don't hate gold. No, that sounds bad. It makes it sound like I don't like market. I know the Nasdaq, well, I say really well. I'm learning it, and I feel a bit more confident trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm not very confident on the gold yet. Depending on the size of the can. Yep. Welcome back. Solly, welcome back, I guess. I don't even know who that is, but okay. What happened to your profile picture? Oh! What is David's profile picture now? Now I'm curious. Oh no, it's just, okay. Moving on. DJ, he's promoting a side hustle. He is too. I shall not sell my future wife's feet. No, it's just for free for everyone else to see. Might tell me a home remedy to treat bad jokes. I don't know. Closing your eyes, I guess, right now. Anyways, dark green, what's up? That's definitely a... Oh! Thomas, how rude. No, that's 100% my fault, I think. Maybe he changed it. Anyways. Why copper's the best at thinking your wife is future wife means she's not your wife. Oh, damn, only true trader. There we go. God. Yeah, wow. Wow. Hey, Caller Funny, how's it going on the market? Oh my goodness. Hey. Hey, Gok. How's it going? The drama has hit. The drama started already. I wouldn't say already. I mean, we're like an hour in. Maybe I should be like, oh, the drama's only starting now. Winning. But how is the market? Yucky. I say yucky. It's not that bad. I'm waiting. I'm testing this out. I'm curious about this. That definitely would have been a loss. But I didn't like it because it did take out London High. And what was the other reason? Oh, it basically hit the bob level. So now I'm watching here. Here it didn't come back. Potentially tag in. I'm gonna follow this up, but I'm also gonna draw another range. I'm testing something out, guys. I'm testing something out. Like I said, I have been doing a little bit of research. Rip, future wife, did you soundproof the basement for her? Yeah, Thomas, it is. Yeah, Michelle, Thomas is here. But... Adrian? Hey, what's up? So I'm not investing, I'm day trading. Yeah. Dom, you're welcome. Well, it hasn't hit yet. Dom, don't worry, I'm still watching. So you have your level at like around 760, right, Dom? I think we're hitting 644 at least. Admiral Gamer? You're talking about a different asset, right? Dom, in theory, how many followers do I need for a fun collab stream? I mean, none really. Boom didn't have any. Why? Do you want to do a fun collab stream? You've been gone for a minute. Oh, thanks, Daddy Stocks. I appreciate that. Call of Funny. Where am I from? Ooh, where do you think I'm from? Also, some stream settings makes course user show instead of names. No, so it's not the stream settings, Thomas. Facebook. YouTube changed some things, so it's nothing I can't fix it on my side. It's YouTube did something. Yeah. You don't know how long. Oh, good grief. Probably the important duty cost and all, but I'm kind of looking at Cherries on snow and vanilla cupcake. Ooh, those two seem more my vibe. Cherries on snow. I haven't seen that one. Vanilla cupcake's nice. Like I said, vanilla cupcake is just super chilled. It's just a very subtle scent. Does that make sense? That kind of makes sense. Mac, I'm gonna have to go now. Check what else would be a really good one. Like I said, they're expensive, but on the plus side is that it lasts a while. Still expensive though, don't get me wrong. There was no setting. What setting? Okay, now I'm curious. What's the setting? I even Googled. Hey Bob, what's up? David, do you know the setting? Oh, Dom, I said, sure, you don't really need any. Boom doesn't have any. As long as it's a fun collab, I'm down to do fun collabs, especially starting in the new year. Collabs can be fun. We can even get David on to yell at people. There is a variance when outside the captures larger returns and hits me, not be nice move. Full section. Ooh, interesting neck. Okay. Attention, this though. I'm just chilling and scrolling on YouTube after one of the craziest days of my life. I entered trading. I love it. Been in trading for a year now. I bought an eagle. Oh, Amir, that is amazing. Welcome. That is so cool. Well done. And you've been trading for a year? Welcome. So I've been trading since April. So I'm slowly headed towards a year of trading. Have you passed an eval yet? You say this is your 5th eval. Risking 1%. Ooh, okay, Amir, very nice. You did 8%. On the stream tomorrow, David. I would judge, but I mean, I would say not tomorrow, but tomorrow is chilled. Okay, wait. This is where I want to kind of take note of something. Oh, we're gonna go back up to this high. Sorry guys, I know I'm not really taking any trades. I'm kind of doing a bit more of a forward testing situation right now, but I'm curious. So that wouldn't have tagged me in, but I also did not have my confluences. But why are you making so much noise? Oh, your bed's not down here. Oh, I'm a terrible mother. Okay. You're just sweating? I'm here. Hey, BJ, what's up? Been in for 8 years. I do my own capital, but one thing is options are section 156, meaning 60 long-term capital gains, tax and 40. Admiral Gamers, that's a lot. So less taxes. Oh, interesting. Okay, that makes sense. That was a lot of words being thrown at me. But yeah, those were a lot of words being thrown at me. I'm up 8% on a fresh account. I've never experienced it. Oh, Amir, that is amazing. Well done. That is so cool. Do you just mark it in, or what strategy do you use, Amir? If Breakview up, we go to last time. Don't need trades. Married, my money is your money, or however the saying goes. You doing what you're doing consistently leads to consistent payouts. Michelle, do I know Isaac? Well, I don't know him personally, but I've heard of Isaac Newton. Why? For a prop firm, though, you need to be fully funded to get tax benefit. Interesting. Aw, brightest future. What's up? Have a wonderful day from Florida. How's Florida today? Market is bearish. Oh, wow. I know a lot of people that will disagree with you on that one. Pangoro? Did you like hack me or something? No, he's just weird like that. No, DJ, no. No, definitely not. Someone thought my wife was 40. Do I look 40? I'll take it as I look mature. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I'm just gonna blame it on the sun. Too much sun. Here I was thinking I was well rested. It's okay, David. Now apparently I'm older than you. I came in hot. You guys are so mean to me. What the heck, man? Oh my gosh, this price action sucks. It's okay. I'm still waiting for confirmation on this particular trade. Entry around here. So actually something like this. I'm checking something out. I'm checking something out. Like I said, I'm forward testing something. Let's see how this goes. Just a lucky guess. I'm planning some things for Jan. I'll text you on Discord and maybe you can make something. Yeah, go on, Dom, let's do it. Angora, you don't think market's pushing any higher? Michelle? No, girlie, you look 25. Thank you. Thank you. Go have fun at Rock Society. Did you hear that you can deny it? We are married. Mother said everything after Christmas tends to go down. Really? DJ? Is that like a thing? Michelle, apparently... And you didn't invite me and Sally. Good grief. I read that as 32. Yo, Sally, go to sleep. I don't even know why you guys are awake. Look on higher time frames. Kongora, I'll go check it out now. Is it for real, Div? Only two trader, that I will take as a... To be fair, guys. To be fair. Even when I was 20 years old, I used to get carded. Not only did I used to still get carded when I went to, like, clubs and stuff. Did I just say I went to clubs when I was 20? That's a lie. I stopped going at... Yeah, no, maybe 20. Point is, I once had it where I went into a club and a bouncer came up to the bar to ask me specifically for my ID. Not my friend, no one else, specifically me. Looking back, I think I will take it as a compliment. But in the moment, I was like, what the heck, man? Not saying I was an angel. I may or may not have gotten into clubs when I was younger, but it's okay. Also, I think we're going above high. Emerald Gamers. Okay, so you still think we're going up. Kongora thinks we're going down. She's like, somebody auntie. Auntie Ed, you guys are so mean. We're at the right spot. Kongora, now you got me questioning my life. No, wait, I moved this. I shouldn't have moved this. I'm being a chop. This would have been the trade. Oh. Okay. So that would have been a win. And I would have left a runner to this level. Huh, look at that. Let's see if this goes all the way up. But essentially this would have been the trade. Damn. Like I said, I'm just forward testing this, so let me not say damn. Like I said, this is a forward test situation going on right now. I want to see if it goes up to this around 822-ish level. I'm trying to be nosy, but am I married? Liam, depends on who you ask. No, I'm not married. Liam, how are you doing? I don't know why mother said that. She's an investor. She looks at things on a big scale. She learned that over the decade. DJ, is that how you got into trading? Oh, good grief. Hey, Aldo. Okay, so Auntie Maya is apparently going to be the new thing. I don't quite know how I feel about that, but hey ho, here we go. Okay, so that would have been a win. Let's now check this out. Quick sticks. Would have preferred the entry to be a little bit higher. It might retest now that it's... Oh, it hasn't tapped into there. Okay. Still seeing what's happening. Can we avoid my... Yes. What a random question. Sure. Yeah, sure. Can I see your ID? Me, honey, I have no way older than you. That is hilarious, Rip. That is brilliant. Kevin, can I be the flower boy? Oh, good grief. TT. No, it's Auntie Maya has spoken. Oh, so... Whoa. So, wait, DJ, so you have like a whole family of traders? That's where the priest guy. I think it's going to go up on general basis of Trump's choice of changing the Fed share for the sake of cutting rates, but taking loss by entry, of course, though I'm not in trade, nor do I plan to trade. So, Mac, are you also just here for the funsies? I say funsies. I am learning. Like I said, that was quite interesting to watch, that would have worked out. However, let's see what happens here. There I would have been tagged in. Do I have my confluences with this one? Not really. No, not really. So if this is a miss or a loss, it makes sense. I feel like I'm saying S a lot. Kongoro, which time frame do you look at, by the way? Nathan, what's up? Pull back and go up. Nathan, I have questions. What you laughing at? But still bullish from my view. I hope the weather's clear where you are. Daddy stocks, it was super clear. Whoa, that would have sucked. Boom, straight into the stop loss. That did not work out how I thought it would. Again, this price action just kind of sucks. That's okay. But yeah, Daddy stocks, it's been raining essentially the past week. And today, luckily, was a really nice clear day. And the pony worked, my horse did not work. I gave him a bit of a holiday, but I warned him. I said tomorrow we start. So he must enjoy while he still can. Oh, it's spreading to my friend and my cousin. You now convince them to. Damn, DJ, look at you being a... Well, I want to say a good influence, but it depends on if they do it correctly, because they might see it as a bad influence if they're not willing to put the effort into it, right? Oh, my brother. Kongoro, you personally use the 1 hour. Awesome. Do you get your entries and everything on the 1 hour? Or do you go to a lower time frame to get your entries? The big meow, what's up? We're all trapped by elites guiding us. The big meow, that sounded dark as heck. Anyways, might consolidate to build up liquidity before the move up, but still. Yes, Daddy Stocks, that is correct. Maya, can I guess Thomas's height? I don't have to guess. I'm pretty sure I know what Thomas's height is. I mean, banks are kind of on holiday. That's exactly it, right, Mac? Everything's kind of on holiday. I know even my brokers are technically... My brokers. My prop firm is technically on holiday until the 5th, so... I can't expect crazy things. I wasn't even sure if I could trade today. I can, somehow. But I didn't think I could. Maybe it's a good thing I'm not. I am just kind of watching. Maybe if something amazing pops up, I'll take it. But for now, I'm just gonna sit and watch and learn. I'm specifically learning some different theories. Different theories? I don't want to say learning different strategies, but I guess the more you know, the more you can be aware of while trading your own strategy, right? Speaking of red city, you look great in a red logo. Yes. David, I have a few red dress. I mean, my matric dance dress was a red dress. Yeah, I guess that's kind of like prom. Overseas, but anyways, we call it matric dance down here. But yeah, my matric dance dress was a red dress. That was really pretty. Is being injected to the markets for clean price action. I'm pretty sure I know, Thomas. Well, I'm pretty sure you've told me. Aren't you like... I want to say 6'2", but I think you're taller than that, right? You can read Rosa Red Buds. New year, new me. At the same hand. Okay, give me... I need a moment of silence. That was completely unexpected. I thought it was going to be something saying, you know, don't be trading, da da da. Not that, but anyways, we're all mathematicians. Moving on. Lower time frame, mostly 15 minutes. Oh damn, okay, so Kongoro, not this low, I'm on the 1 minute, obviously. Anyways, Daddy Stocks UC downtrend. Wow, we have... Okay, let's do it. Let's do a poll. I'm kind of curious now. Who thinks... uptrend? Oh, downtrend. I'm curious. Let's see, and... Okay, uptrend is winning by 67%. Interesting. Mac, I'm just here for the vibes. I love it. I don't even... That's a downtrend. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's right. Ooh, damn, look at me go. I can't believe I remember that, Thomas. That's low-key impressive. Or is it creepy? I'm gonna go with impressive. Which is heavier, gold or silver? I don't know. How tall are you in centimeters? I am... Oh, me or Thomas? I'm 164. There we go. What? Solly, I can't tell if you're joking right now or not. That's like 5'6". Aw, Gilbert, you're so sweet, thank you. Trader Faceless, what's up? You'd love to see the London High rated. Wasn't it already? I feel like it was already taken. Yeah, London High has already been taken out. Are you saying taken again? How tall am I in Subway sandwich? I have no idea. I don't have Subway down in South Africa, so... We see us a new high. She looks taller on streams. Oh, interesting. Market is grabbing liquidity or in consolidation. There should be options. There should be an option sideways. I mean, Vitality, when you have a valid point, I can't argue with you. So sideways is a very valid option right now. But it's purely out of curiosity about what people think. Huh. Okay, so uptrend appears to be winning. But not by a lot. I always find it so interesting how there's like a 50-50 split of what people see is coming next. And 50% of the time you guys are right. Obviously, you know. Can I speak other languages? If so, which? I can speak Afrikaans, not very well, but I can speak Afrikaans. Right before the day is over, I'll hit the downtrend at the bottom of the V. Okay, Daddy, stocks, let's see. No? What? 5-minute time frame, I think, is already showing higher lows. Good sign for up. It will hit the downtrend. Sing Pretty Little Baby. That song? Absolutely not. I don't think I can sing that. Kongoro, would you rather come to Namibia or South Africa? Are you asking me, Kongoro? I am South African, by the way. Yeah, I'm in South Africa right now. What's up? I'm like 5'4". I think I'm 5'4", not 5'6". I think David's making me taller than I am. I think 5'4" is more accurate. Slightly to my muscle, David. Arrange them increasing order. Ooh, Vishal? I have no clue how they look. That's a lie. I know how David looks, but I don't know how Solly or Thomas look. So I can't do that. It is for sure downtrend, my lady. Daddy stocks. Okay, this is starting to look more and more like a downtrend. However, I agree with the sideways. Ooh, do you mean uptrend, downtrend today or for the week? I mean for today, Mac. What? Am I originally South African? Yeah, I'm originally South African. Born and bred. Daddy, I forgot you were South African. Yeah. So, yeah, South African. I mean, I'm half Portuguese. My dad's Portuguese. But I was born in South Africa, lived in South Africa my whole life. Yeah. Shall name my dream car. Good old Bucky to help tow the horse boxes around, but they cost so much. I don't know. Dream car, like a sports car. Like, you gotta give me a little bit more. Kurt Kaz is South African. I mean, who else? Oh, what's her name? That actress is South African as well. Oh, I'm going blank. What is her name? Charlize Theron. There we go. She's South African. I mean, what my first? He smells good. The grog just under told me. Okay, Michelle. That's pretty cool. I'm Portuguese, Spanish, and Native American. Mostly Spanish and Portuguese. And that is awesome, Admiral Gamers. Yeah. Like I said, half Portuguese, hence the hectic amount of hair. Shame. I was even chatting with my cousin about it over Christmas, and she was like, it's a problem. I was just like, yep. Never ends. But would you still come to Namibia for a visit? I would definitely. I've never been. That sounds terrible. I haven't actually been to a lot of places traveling wise. Wow, this did not work out how I thought it would at all. So, noted, I guess. But I'm pretty sure there's rules with regards to this, and it didn't work out how I wanted it to at all. Okay, who said downtrend? Oh, bye, Rip. No! See you in the new year, so you're not going to join tomorrow? No, wait, what about tomorrow? Come on. Come join us tomorrow. Having fun talking rubbish. Basically. Why the hell does height matter? And is she gonna go pro fighting. I'm short, but I still go for ones with no issues. But that's exactly it, Mac. It doesn't matter. Can I just say, Mac, sorry, we're going on to a different topic there. George, what's up? Isn't it Portuguese? Portuguese. Fun words. Teddy stocks. Thanks. I would belly. You're a 6 foot, David? Nice. Rip, enjoy though. Start with me. That chair looks soft. I mean, it is. Damn, Admiral Gamers, that's a while. Thomas, where did you get that? I thought. Hey, Thurble, what's up? How's it going? I'm Zone for Value Gap. Today, I have a strong gut feeling it's sideways. Mac. I mean, this now looks like it's solidly going down. Like, out of curiosity's sake, I said obviously I'm not gonna do this. Well, I'm too late to do this, even if I wanted to. This just didn't work at all today. Okay, so none of my ideas for today would have been correct. That kind of sucks. And I guess it is what it is, but it does kind of suck. Why is my phone... Like, why do you keep popping up? What's wrong? There we go. Research the 2 different wages. It looks exactly how it looks now. I'm a wizard is how I could tell. Daddy stock, I like that. Yeah, I saw that. I think in the long run, it's gonna go up quite a lot, though. Do you judge by candle or trends to trade? Is it Reggie? Reggie can trade? I judge by trends, rather. So, like, if it's sideways, it does not work for my strategy. Dark green? What's dark green doing? What did I miss? Mac, what happened? I feel like I missed something with that one, but anyways. Zubair, hi. What's going on here? Real. Also use TGR strategies personally. Interesting, Kongoro. I'm 6'1". I'm going to put your name in a second for you. Thanks, Daddy. Stop. Charlie, you're 6'1". Me like I said, if you can make a girl laugh and giggle. Mac? Height actually doesn't mean anything. Like I said, one of my exes used to be a race car driver and he was short. That was pretty cool. We come back to VWAP. Dom, you really think it's going back up there again? I'm now... I don't know. I'm now not convinced about anything. Which is a good sign to just be hands off, right? Kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. It's not the best price action. I'm just talking myself out of doing something dumb. Sure, Daddy Stock, I'll do it now. I'm stalking nobody. Good rebound there. Though I don't know yet. Been good recently. DJ, you think so? It's been okay. No, I say that. December's been good. December's been good to me. I have no complaints with regards to December. Obviously there were some days that weren't ideal and some days that were just amazing. But I guess that's kind of like anything, right? And today's just not ideal. Today's just not a Maya day. Maybe holidays aren't great for Maya brain. Still needs to take out 50-minute lows. Zoom it to the top so we can see easier if there's an uptrend. I can also, let's check the, oh, we check the higher time frames. Let's block out all the noise. Sorry, there we go. Let's check. So 5-minute looks like this. Oh, Wi-Fi. Come on. You've got this, buddy. So there's the 5-minute. 15-minute. One hour. Might still be coming for the slowdown here. Properly filling this freaking NWOG. And 4 hour. Ooh, it has hit a bit of a supply zone. Interesting. Okay. But there we go. This is a very big point of interest on the 4 hour. What's that? 611. Oh, let's say around the, yeah, 615 area. Those relative equal highs are juicy. But anyways, back to the 1 minute. It will sell. Hey Mackenzie, what's that? On hopefully this. Mackenzie, that is what we all hope, right? Profitable and amazing people and just the bestest community. Like I said, the bestest community. For those that want to, again, please don't be creepy, guys, but if you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. Like I said, join this amazing community. Then if you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask. Like I said, if I can't answer, someone in this amazing community probably could. Yep, definitely an uptrend. Oh, I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. Oh, someone else asked to see feed. So weird. Anyways, for the whole top of candle, I think you have uptrend. Protein powder. This is why I don't like Nasdaq. Copper is so much better. Why do you say that, DJ? Didn't you try trading Nasdaq? Why didn't you like it? Can you look at the bottom of the recent so we can see a downtrend? If I can. I did not. Sorry. Whoop whoop, Don. Whoop whoop. Did you get a win? I'm never going to stop my Nasdaq propaganda until everyone trades copper. We need a little more volume over here. DJ, you are hilarious. Okay. I was curious about this trade as well. Did I have my 3 confluences though? I had 1, I had 2. I had like 2, potentially 3 if that VWAP had moved down sooner. Let's see if this goes down for a win. This is just going sideways though, but it's fine. It is what it is. After it hits uptrend, it's downtrend on the bottom of the recent B. They're just wasting time. It's me, why did gold fall? I don't know, guys, why did gold fall? Sorry, I don't know that much about gold, apologies. I'm gonna go grab some water because it's hot out hell. I'll be right back, seeming as not much is going on right now, so it is what it is. BRB. Let's see if this goes down in the direction I kind of think it's going. I kind of started with a bearish bias, but maybe I'm really wrong. But so far, anything bullish I wanted to do would have been a loss, which means bearish might be the way to go. And whatever I say, do the opposite, so it's probably bullish. I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, look, it's gone nowhere. Okay, sorry. I first sit down, Daddy. I'm back, I miss you. Aw, Kongoro, I'm back. What the? I could be wrong though. But both will surely hit before the day is over by early tomorrow. Interesting. I'm here. What's up, Chris? Mackenzie Gold is a retracement mode. It should push higher this week. Who is trading? Is anyone trading the 31st and the 1st? It feels dangerous. Oh, did I beat the market this year? No, I did not. I did not beat the market because I'm still new. What's up? Everything is going down, so surely Nasdaq has to go down, right? DJ, you would think so. So maybe this was now correct. Maybe this is just the way to go, and it's now going to go properly down to the next bob level. Kind of sat around that level though. But my guess is that sideways is indeed the way to be going. Oh, okay, bye. Oh, downtrend is now one a little bit. Interesting. Okay. Uptrend is still up on the other stream. Near the top of the recent highs and then down below. So, Daddy Stocks, you think this is just Loki doing some like search and destroy? That's not right. Seek and destroy, search. No, my goodness. Sad. It's doing sad stuff. It's going, taking out liquidity to liquidity. However, looking at this, I'm going to stick with my little bit of a bearish idea. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm sticking with my bearish. Although I was very convinced about bullish earlier, but clearly that wouldn't have worked. Chris gets everything and it's only Thursday, so my point what? So holidays on Thursday? Interesting. Okay. DJ, it's I know it's Monday now. It might be a lose. Oh, what happened, Emerald Gamers? What's up, Side Intel? What's up? Merry Christmas. How's everyone doing? I think you're wrong, but both will hit before the death. Let's see, Daddy Stocks. Let's see. Again, I'm very open to the idea that I could most definitely be wrong. However, this market is just... bleh. What did I say earlier? I said it's poo-poo caca. I'm sticking with it. But I'm a holdout. Okay, Admiral Gamers. I mean, let's see. Again, this price action's just not ideal. I will still be here for tomorrow, London and New York session. And then I will again take the 31st, 1st, and 2nd to go touch some grass. prepare myself for the new year. I'm quite excited. Are you guys excited for the new year? I'm excited. I think it's gonna be fun. And that's trading. There's no guarantee, but that's okay. Exactly, Mac. As long as you have educated yourself enough that you're starting to read it more correctly. Is it always 100%? No, there's no such thing as 100%. I think that's the thing. If people come at you and say this is 100% guaranteed, walk away. I don't think 100% when it comes to the stock market exists. Did you just say Daddy Stocks? I did, because there's someone called Daddy Stocks here. Pangora Bearasheep. DJ. Inside joke. Yeah, Sally. When you know, you know. The oval pattern is reverse wedge pattern. I don't know much about this wedge pattern stuffies, to be fair. Mackenzie looks like Jan is so month. Mackenzie, that's interesting. Why do you say that? I'm a 100% accurate person. Are you sure about that? The blueprint? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? Full put longs. Go on then. S Frank, why not? Let's full put. Go Boca. Hey Hunter, what's up? Welcome. I'm assuming you're South African. This was the trend I sent earlier. You sent? I know you sent it earlier. Daddy Stocks do not have Discord, I'm assuming. Next year is time to break the broken. Kongora, that sounds really bad. I was just about to say thanks. After full strength. Full port. Who said full port? S Frank. Welcome, S Frank. You piqued only true trader's curiosity. He is all here. I'm a fan of the energy. Just tone it back. Oh my gosh, you guys are hilarious. This is gonna be such a freaking funny 2 days. Well, I say 2 days, one more day. And then the new year starts. I am excited for the new year. I'm hoping there's lots of opportunities in the new year. Why is my phone going cray cray? Oh, okay. Random things. Oh yeah, I need to join today. Hell yeah, do it. Uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. Woohoo! Okay, Daddy Stocks, let's see. I think S Frank left. He said let's full port the longs and then disappeared. Now I low-key want to. But I'm not going to. But I low-key want to. But it's okay. It's okay. Do I have pets? Yeah, I do. I have my little periwinkle, who's sleeping here right now. He's my little dog. I say little, he's my big dog. And then I got my pony. I'm joking, he's big, but he's a big horse. Yeah, my big boy. I'm gonna hop off 5, going to play some Marvel. Ooh, nice, Admiral Gamers, enjoy. Okay, sorry, just Solly. Whoa! That was... Only True Trader, I love it. Wait, Only True Trader, what are you playing? Just, Solly, that was so quick. That was ridiculously quick. Wow. Okay. Yeah, wait, campus Stacy is an old. Ooh, an old quarter horse. That's amazing. Hey, Martin, you're still here. You've been awfully quiet. What's up? Was it Martin? I don't know if you answered. Do you have Discord? If you do, please join and we will discuss the trading tattoo. It will literally go on this arm. So it does have to kind of, I don't know how it would work in with my tattoo. But anyway, it does have to kind of work around here. But I need me a trading tattoo. Anyways, moving on. DJ Otter Penguin? DJ what? Oops, downtrend, just realized the bottom of the big V didn't hit yet. Haha, daddy stocks. Bam, I was correct. Anyway, Kongoro, do I trade oil as well? No, not yet. Like I said, I'm still just kind of going through everything. Going through everything. That's not what I meant. I want to get good at one asset before I start jumping around and going through everything. Daisy, ooh. Only true trader, is that a zombie thing? That sounds like a zombie thing. Is that a zombie thing? That was before the uptrend, then the downtrend. I don't know yet. It's a feeling that I have. They've been doing some weird stuff in December. Look at that order flow currently. It's so back and forth. It's not hitting the target. Mackenzie, couldn't it just be because everyone's on holiday? So it's just meh right now? Not just be that, or do you think it's a sign of what's going to happen? Oh, that's okay, Martin. Don't worry. So downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So it's just going back and forth. Yes, yes. Do I trade in Forex? I do not. Sorry, Faz. It means, oh, damn, side-eye, no one understands my emojis. Oh. What does it mean, DJ? I kind of... Wait, is that what it means? DJ, you have officially made me feel so lost. I'm too old to understand that. I think that's just the sheer facts. I'm too old to understand. I started Feb and I'm pretty good. Oh damn, look at you go, Kongoro. What strategy do you use? My new trading thesis, it's all going to zero. Learn to code? You know what? When you're right, you're right. Oh, learn to code, thank you. No, I can't wait for Jan action. I hear that. It is. Oh, only true trader, how did I know? I just know things. I don't know, it's just, when it comes to zombies, it just always has to be somewhere. No. 8-9, moving on. Downtrend below bottom of big B, then uptrend near bottom of recent hill, then below recent hill bottom. Oh no. What's happening? Why? Definitely downtrend. Okay, let's... Thanks, DJ. Appreciate ya. Oh, by the way, guys, if you guys want to help out Only True Trader and become one of his subscribers on YouTube, you can see it's popped up on Stream Elements here. You hit old lady status. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Auntie Maya. Oh, good grief. Okay. Should I dress like an old lady? I could dress like an old lady. Can I dress like an old lady? I don't know if I can dress like an old lady. I might be able to dress like an old lady. Let's see. It was a tattoo in Huntington Week at camp. Damn, that sounds pretty cool, Martin. What the heck? Wow! And someone coming back saying I look 40 again. Anyways. Big P that after near top recent hill and below recent hill bottom. Okay. They're not really. These markets are controlled by the big players like the banks and hedge funds on holiday, but it shouldn't affect anything. Mackenzie, really? But surely if it's controlled by them and they're on holiday, you know. Why don't I play video games? I could play video games. Old lady status, yeah, it's happening. No, you dress like an old millennial. Wow. Just... wow. I would be offended, but we got good style, so it's okay. It's fine. Let's see it dress like an old lady go fun. I'm so keen to do that. I don't even know where to start. I'm sure I have some old lady clothes somewhere. As a college student who is new to trading, what are the things I should focus on to be a profitable trader? Can you recommend any mentor? As I would have to say you must find a strategy that works for you first. With regards to that, there's a bunch out there and it can get overwhelming. An easy one to start with, I would say, is probably the orb strategy. I think it's one of the more simple ones. And then from there, you can start progressing. Aw, Kongoro, thank you. You're so sweet. Big V with the buy gold. Mario Kart. I mean, I could play Mario Kart. I have wrinkles. Of course I have wrinkles. It's called I am natural and I don't wear makeup. If I had to wear makeup, you guys would not recognize me. Just saying. That literally happened at my matric dance. I wore makeup and my classmates didn't recognize me. It was fun. Sticking to it and not strat hopping, don't say no lady. Aw, thank you. And Telex, you're so sweet. Hopping video games are for boomers. Wow. Video games are for boomers. What? Learn to code? Who said that? Oh, I appreciate that. I look 32 max. Oh, thanks, Paz. I'll take that. You know, old wine's always better. Oh, you guys are so funny. Don't say an old lady to her. Thanks, Solly. Am I 20? I'm not 20, no. Oops, wait, the downtrend from the big already sort of, so. Good grief, Daddy Stocks, you're jumping all over the place. Jovan, what's up? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Where are you from, Jovan? It's a very interesting name. I knew someone named that. Except his nickname was like JVV or something. Oh, thanks, Dad. I'm actually 27. Appreciate it. I'm working on limited info. This stuff is easy for me. Mackenzie, no, apparently it's a thing now. Do I get back pain? I do, but it's not because I'm old. Is it because I'm old? Nah, it's because I've fallen off of horses a tad too many times. This is a tough call, but all of the above will hit before the day is over. Hey, Zero to Hero. Not really, because the price action sucks, but I'm forward testing. I guess you could call this forward testing. I'm having a look at this. The bigger trades still would be in green. This one, if I didn't chicken out and move to break even, would still be in this trade. Just by the way. How big is this as well? This is nearly 30 points by the looks of things. Yeah. 26 points there. I mean, the sideways range is just not great. For me. I know for some people this is probably like an amazing price action. For me, this sucks. Does anyone like what it's doing right now? Is anyone trading this? Does anyone love this? If you do, I would call you weird, but you're not weird. I think there's a strategy for everyone. I love riding horses, Kongora. I've been riding since I was 3 years old. That sounds bad. I've been riding horses. There we go. Reverse edge looks like a check mark indicating downtrend. Okay. Oh. Okay, and that indicates... Only True Trader? Hell yeah. Guys, everyone sub to Only True Trader. We gotta love and support him. We are here. Kongora, how good am I at riding horses? I'm okay. I used to be really good. But life happens, I guess. Am I married? I'm not married. Well, unless you ask David, then apparently I'm married. But anyways. If they're Only True Trader, that's me. Hey, DJ, you subbed. You're amazing. Thank you. Where does it hurt on my back? It depends on the day. Yo, that does make me sound really old. Zero to Hero, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Sorry, so I'm not trading the pairs. My last and final pick, uptrend then downtrend, like my original pick. I like what you're looking at. I just think it will take longer than what I am saying. That's okay, Daddy Stock. We'll get there. Mario Kart is so versatile and fun. I know Mario Kart would be so much fun to play. But you know what would be even more fun to play? The game that only True Trade is making. That would be the most fun to play, just saying. Only True Trade user. Oh, okay, there it is. Anyways, Jovan, where are you from? The fib didn't work in the New York AM session, but it will work perfectly in PM session, and I'm not in the mood for that as well. Mackenzie, I hear you. Wow. I'm famous. Outside for 5 breads, go tell him, Sully. No one else plays games though, just me and my cousins. We either play Lego. Oh, ooh, Lego Marvel is amazing, DJ. I played the Lego games on my Xbox. They are so much fun. Lego Star Wars, I've been playing. The Lego Harry Potter was also lots of fun, and now Lego Pirates of the Caribbean. So cool. So funny. And access to them. Okay, I want to marry you. I'm from Africa, zero to hero wins. Where in Africa are you from? Access to horses too. We had quarter horses. I live near Saratoga. Woo, that is so cool. Oh, Daddy Stocks, that is amazing. That is so cool. Oh, thanks, Rob. Anyways. Yeah, subbed on all my accounts as well. Should be like 26 subs or 25. Revan, South Africa, Cape Town. You're not the JVV I knew, are you? That would be so weird. But anyways. That would be what? Anyways. We're waiting for you and to go up. Dom, I still think this is going down. I could be very wrong, like I said. I would have potentially, I don't have them placed obviously, but these are the 2 trades potentially that I'm looking at. So here's this Uno Memento. Here you go. Here's this one. So as you can see, this one will definitely still be in it, still in the green. And this second one over here. Either way, none of them are a hit or a miss yet, so I'm just kind of watching, waiting to see what happens. If you guys know that song, it's pretty cool. Back. It's almost 2026. Sam, it really is almost 2026. What up? Novelist, I can speak Afrikaans. DJ, 2026 is literally around the corner. Do I have The Sims? Oh, I actually do, Kongora. I do have The Sims. Oh, damn. That would have been so funny if it was. Anyways. Hey, Teddy! Welcome back. I know I understand why ICT starts in February each year and ends in November each year. Yeah, 100%. VWAP is a magnet. Una moment. Auntie Maya, good grief, this is becoming a thing. Although, how's it going? So I thought on the recent heel had a blue candlestick. Nope. Nope. Not really. Not really. Anyways. How was my Christmas? My Christmas was good. How was your Christmas, Aldo? Fair enough. Families are different from mine if we play together on family gatherings. Auntie Maya. Yeah, Solly, you have now started a thing. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's okay. It is what it is, I guess. If it was a different timeline, it's probably still... it may have been a higher time frame, Daddy Stocks. Hey, Teddy. What am I doing? I'm watching... Are you here to actually say hi? Are you actually gonna come say hi to people? Come. Hey, hi. Oh my goodness, we got a periwinkle. So come say hi. What's up, my baby? Okay. Oh, and he's... You can't really see him. He's resting his head on the table. That's just how big he is. What are you looking for? There's no food. What are you looking for? He's here to show off how tall he is. Okay? Mwah. Good boy. I sound like I can speak Afrikaans. Jovan, not really well, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Okay, he just burped. Anyways, moving on. Maybe it's a different timeline. It's a gap on Friday, 19th December, 10th December last week. It's probably closed today. That's so relaxing. The Sims. I find it so frustrating, but sure, I guess. Jovan, what's my target? So on this first trade, I'm not in this trade, just by the way. I'm kind of forward testing it. This price action just sucks for my strategy in general. But it would be around the 665.75 area. Or the 646.50 area. This one's almost better. This larger one is almost better. Bob level to Bob level. Sorry, Bob level, some secret sauce stuff. Embrace Auntie Maya, it's okay. Thanks, Only True Trader. It's up from the confused what he'll looking at. Not that young lad right there. Who's waiting for industry season 3? I don't want them. Aw, Rockin' Viper, thank you. Am I getting back pain now? No. Why? You would be shocked at mine. Solly, please tell me, what are your trading outfits? I have to know now. What are your trading outfits? Oh, cheers, Mackenzie. Like Nasdaq will be back to normal tomorrow, hopefully, even though it's a holiday month, as you stated. Yeah, Mackenzie, I'm not holding high hopes for anything right now. And yeah. Absolutely no high hopes for anything. I would still be in this trade on the bigger one. Let's see if this decides. What's that? If this decides to hit. Sorry, Perry's like still chilling here, and he has the horse ate apple and literally just gobbed it all on his head. So that's fun. Anyways, moving on. Jovan, are you Afrikaans? Yeah. Why are you getting so excited? What's up? I don't have anything. Whee! Moving on. I look like a model. That's so sweet. I appreciate that. I'm definitely not a model though. I am a very awkward human being. I don't think I'd ever be able to model, but I really appreciate that. That's so sweet. You know, it gets hot in Australia. Sorry, yes, I know it gets hot in Australia. Are you wearing nothing? I should be a model. Aw, you're so sweet. Again, I don't think. You looking pretty old. Oh, thanks, Liam. Anyways. And Jovan, you speak Afrikaans? No. Dom probably long now. I'm still waiting to see where. Oh, guys, it's nearly past. What the heck? Where did the time go? You truly are Hermosa. Who's Hermosa? It's probably very. I suspect you're an introvert. Yes, I am, Daddy Stock. I'm definitely an introvert. Like I said, people put a camera in front of me and say act normal, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what is normal? I don't know what normal is. And then I panic, and it's just a disaster. So no, I would probably be a terrible, terrible model. Model? How does some auntie clothes? Listen here, Solly. Listen here. That's pretty funny. What are auntie clothes? Help me out here. What are auntie clothes? I probably could, and I'll smash it. Oh, introverted makes me think of introduction. Almost like they're shy. Oh, I'm very shy. I'm very shy, and I'm very much like one of those that if you go out anyway, I'm super quiet until I'm spoken to, and then I'm super friendly. But the problem is when I'm quiet, I have a little bit of a resting bee face, so everyone thinks I'm this terrible, terrible person, but it's just because I'm quiet and I stay in my lane, and I stay quiet and I stay out of it. I should be a gamer. I am, kind of. I haven't been a really good gamer recently, but I like to think I'm a gamer. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? How's my day going so far, Liam? You know what? I can't complain. It's 6:30 p.m. I need to go get dinner now because I'm hungry. It's dinner time. Oh, come on. I was hoping this would at least pretend to reach a semi-level. It looks kind of like TP. This is just going sideways. This sucks. Wow. Okay, noted. Price action the last 2 weeks of December is just disgusting. But oh my gosh, guys. Tomorrow is the second last day of December. What is going on? How is what? Where? Why? What? No. Where has this year gone? Do I have gray hairs? I probably actually do. Remember when you were a child, what did your auntie wear? Oh, they're the same clothes. David, no, what a weird thing to say. I'm not going to stand up and give you a spin. Zero brand names visible. Yeah, because I don't have any branded clothing. Again, that stuff's expensive. Damn. But it's okay. We're in South Africa. I'm KZN side, Jovan. Auntie confirmed. Wow. I'll make you some tacos. Ooh. Bet, Martin. Let's do it. Jovan, what are my New Year's Eve plans looking like? Oh. It's going to be a crazy party at Club Duvet starring DJ Pillow. I said I'm probably gonna do something dumb like go out and sing karaoke until the middle of the night, which is I don't really no, because then there's so many people. I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'll probably just stay with my dog so that he doesn't get scared from the fireworks, and I think that's just gonna be the plan. Am I from America? I'm not. Lily, I'm from South Africa. What's up? Nearly said I'm from New York, and I was like, no, that's not right. I'm from South Africa. I've never been to New York in my life, but okay. No action today, but EU is kind of breaking range. Ooh, Mac, interesting. Yeah. Want to increase gut instincts, endurance, trading, and crafting exercises for it. Ooh, thanks, Daddy Stock. So, oh no, I'm not, Java. I go there and I make people's ears bleed, but it's the thought that counts, right? Right? Yeah, it's fine. But I'm not a good singer. I just think karaoke's fun. Maybe not fun for the other people, but I have fun, and I guess that's what's important. Got a late Christmas present, DJ. Absolutely not. The new 1 year candle to open. Ah. Only 2 trader. That's kind of cool. Is that really? Wait, whoa. Only 2 trader. Is that really what you're gonna be doing? That is awesome. Okay. I'm completely going overtime now because I want to really hear if that's really what you're doing. Wait, but there is nothing at midnight. Only 2 trader. We only have something at like 1 AM. So what are you gonna do at midnight, Only 2 trader? You're nearly 30. Yes, I am nearly 30. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. Do you think I'm right about it going over the big hill first? Daddy Stock? No, I still think it's going down. Oh, look, it's going down. It might be going down now. In South Africa, what English accent? Oh gosh, I have no idea. South African accent, I guess. Cheers, Mac. Enjoy. I think you meant to say sad. No, definitely not sad. Oh, what the heck? Absolutely not. I'll say 8, 9, but not 6, 7. Oh damn, I just did it. Anyway, it'll be 28 next year. No, but that doesn't count because my birthday's in December. So like 28 at the end of next year. So I'm just saying that does not count. Freedom. Okay. Let me head out before we could just sit here and talk about this for the remainder of the night. Actually, honestly, this is why the 24-hour went by so quickly. We just sat here talking rubbish. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna call it there. 3D printing loot. I got you. That is awesome. Yeah. Okay. I love you guys madly. I'm gonna call it there. I'll be back tomorrow. London and New York session. Hopefully, touch wood, everything works tomorrow. Okay, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. You guys are just the absolute best. I will be back tomorrow. London and New York session. We've got this. Yeah, I had fun. Nothing went according to plan. Let's see what this looks like tomorrow morning when I hop back on the charts, if this would have been a win or a loss, and see if my last thought of the day worked out. Probably not, but yeah, literally nothing went according to what I thought it would do today. So maybe the break's not great for little old me or Maya, but it's okay. Yes, I called myself old. Okay, you happy now? Okay, I'll stop talking. I love you guys madly. I'll be back tomorrow. You guys are amazing. Trade safe if you are trading. If not, see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.